on top of it is toward the head, and then tuck the opposite end of the solar cell underneath the tab on the back of the Cricut.
We are today in the Innovators workshop, and we are working
through the small holes from the back of the
with
cat.
a pet.
The ends should come out through the front between the eyes to create the antenna.
This is what we are going to do today. So we have the video here, how to build it, and every student is trying to do it. So where's your pet? Okay. So you got it yet?
Into the body, making
Okay,
sure the
okay,
small tab
Jefferson,
on the
good
back
job.
of the head is
So
over
every
top of the
student is
solar cell to
working.
hold it in place.
Okay. So do you have two?
Yeah.
Okay, you have two. Okay. So here is Elizabeth is working here.
Shape the antenna wire to curl
Okay.
back over the body.
Keep working. Okay, every student is trying to do.
Finally, customize your bot.
Following directions. Everyone is here.
Wow, I look tip-top. Now it's your turn to style me
Okay,
how you would like.
and we study
I
about
can't wait to see
energy,
what you choose.
solar energy.